Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, July 10th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Solana to Tether at Zondacrypto. What you can see here is a quite nice rebound from the lows made around the level of 123. Let me just place some important levels for you. So 123 is the technical level. The other one is of course the recent low at 122, and we got still this historical lows of 119 and one here roughly the same level, 118.40. So you can see the recent developments towards 126 has made a very strong demand zone located between 142 and 126. The 26 is the yesterday low, and it looks like the market doesn't want to come lower anymore. So within this zone there is expected big activity of the demand side of the market. If we add to the chart RSI indicator, we can clearly see that we are off the extremely oversold market conditions. We went even above the level of 50 during this comeback here towards 152, and now we are oscillating just between the level of 50, just between this the neutral level on Solana. So we need this breakout to the upside to be continued in order to see further improvement of the price of the Solana. So let me just mark up the key levels to the upside for you. 153 is the major level that we should pay attention to, because only if we break above this level the market can return to some sort of the maybe some sort of the uptrend, maybe some sort of the higher bounce, and as long as we trade below this level, the outlook remains horizontal, and just because we got this zone here, it's not quite bullish just yet. The other thing is that if we apply our moving average to the chart, let's say we apply 100 and 200 periods moving average, because we are doing the analysis on the daily time frame chart, we can clearly see that this zone between the last high 152 and let's say this lows at 126 is roughly located in between this moving averages, 100 and 200 periods moving averages. So the longer we stay here, the chances for the horizontal trend are getting more and more visible, and in that situation the market can of course stay between these levels for the extended period of time. All we need to do is to wait for the decisive breakout. Right now the range has been established, very strong support zones here, support levels here that created the demand zone. Very nice technical resistance level 153. So this is very clear situation here. We need to wait for the breakout on the Solana. It might go to the upside. The chances that the Solana will go lower are not that high, because this zone has been very well established. So please keep an eye on the situation when the Solana is above the 150-153 tethers, because that might be at the beginning of an extended move to the downside, to the upside, of course, targeting roughly 174 and then possibly even 188 tethers. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.